Let's see how to create a new folder in Drive D. Rename it as Chetna. Copy this folder and paste it to Drive E. To create a new folder, click on the Start button to show the Start menu. Click on the computer to display the computer window or Windows Explorer. Click on the Local Disk D icon to view the content in Drive D. Click on the New folder in the menu bar to create a new folder. You can give a name to the new folder and then press Enter. If you don't want to name the folder at this moment of time, pressing Enter creates a folder with default name as New folder. Alternatively, right-click on an empty space in the right panel of the selected drive. A pop-up menu appears. Point the mouse to the New option and then click Folder. Press Enter to create a folder with default name as New folder. Now, rename the new folder to Chetna. To rename the folder, select the folder. Click on the Organize drop-down menu in the menu bar. Select Rename from the menu. Type Chetna and press Enter. The new folder has been renamed to Chetna. A file or folder name can't contain any of the characters displayed on the screen. Now, copy the Chetna folder and paste it to Local Disk E. To copy and paste a folder, locate the folder. Here, Chetna folder is in Local Disk D. Select the folder. Click on the Organize drop-down menu in the menu bar. Select Copy from the menu. The folder has been copied. Select Local Disk E, where you have to paste the folder. Select Paste from the Organize menu. A copy of this folder Chetna has been pasted in Local Disk E. To summarize, let's see the steps below to create a new folder, rename it, copy it, and paste it. To create a new folder, Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on Computer. Step 3. Click on the Local Disk D. Step 4. Click on the New folder in the menu bar. Step 5. Press Enter to create the new folder. To rename a folder, Step 1. Select the folder. Step 2. Click on the Organize drop-down menu in the menu bar. Step 3. Select Rename from the menu. Step 4. Type the new name. Step 5. Press Enter. To copy and paste a folder, Step 1. Locate the folder. Step 2. Select the folder. Step 3. Click on the Organize drop-down menu in the menu bar. Step 4. Select Copy from the menu. Step 5. Select the location to paste. Step 6. Select Paste from the Organize menu.